I am the resurrection and the life. Whoever believes in me, even if he dies, will live. John chapter 11, verse 25. Today's gospel brings us to one of the most powerful moments in the ministry of Jesus. Lazarus, a dear friend of Jesus, has died. When Jesus arrives in Bethany, the sorrow is deep. Martha mourns. Mary weeps. The community gathers in grief. Even Jesus himself is moved by the pain around him. The gospel simply tells us, Jesus wept. These two words reveal something profound. The Son of God enters fully into human suffering. He does not remain distant from our sorrow. He stands beside us in it. But the story does not end in grief. Standing before the tomb, Jesus calls out, Lazarus, come out. And the man who was dead walks out of the tomb. This miracle points beyond itself. It reveals that Jesus is not only a healer of illness, he is the Lord of life, the one who has authority even over death. As Lent draws us closer to Holy Week, this gospel prepares us for what is to come. Soon, Jesus himself will enter the darkness of the tomb, but death will not have the final word. Ezekiel's prophecy echoes this promise. God declares that he will open the graves of his people and bring them back to life. The resurrection power of God is already at work. Lent invites us to reflect on the places in our lives that feel like closed tombs, areas of discouragement, habits that seem impossible to change, hopes that appear buried. Christ still speaks the same command today. Come out. His voice calls us from despair into life. The one who called Lazarus from the tomb is the same Lord who calls us to renewed life. Lord, you are the resurrection and the life. When I face sorrow, remind me of your promise of hope. When my heart feels weighed down, call me again into your life. Help me trust that your power is stronger than every darkness. Lead me always toward the life you offer. Amen.